Create delicious meals thanks to this stylish electric cooker with a ceramic hob from Zanussi, which has incredible technology and lots of cooking space. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main electric fan oven has a large 77-litre capacity, whereas the second oven has a medium-sized 39-litre capacity. There are 4 zones on the hob, ranging from 2 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The hob has a ceramic finish, which makes it really easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down, meaning you'll spend less time cleaning and more time cooking amazing food. Zanussi's Thermaflow technology lets you perfectly cook different courses all at the same time. A fan at the back of the oven keeps hot air moving and spreads heat quickly throughout the cavity, cutting down heat-up times. This constant circulation of heat cooks your food evenly and also makes sure there's no transfer of flavors from one dish to another. So, you can cook a variety of meals at the same time, and you'll even save on your utility bills too. If you're looking for an electric cooker with a ceramic hob that has lots of cooking space, this stylish model from Zanussi is an ideal choice.